Hello student, I am Professor Prashant Dupari. Welcomes you in an online learning management system. Today we will discuss on kernel data structure. Learning objectives of today's lecture is student will be able to understand the concept of kernel data structures. The kernel data structures are very important as they store data about the current state of the system. For example, if a new process is created in the system, a kernel data structure is created that contains the details about the processes. Most of the kernel data structure are only accessible by the kernel and its subsystems. They may contain data as well as pointers to other data structures. Kernel components. The kernel stores and organizes a lot of information, so it has data about which kernel components. The kernel stores and organizes a lot of information, so it has data about which processes are running in the system, their memory requirements, files in use, etc. To handle all these three important structures are used. These are process table, file table, and vnode or inode information. First is process table. The process table stores information about all the processes running in the system. These include the storage information, execution status, file information, etc. When a process divides in a child, its entry in the process table is duplicated, including the file information and file pointers. So the parent and the child process share a file. File table. The file table contains about all the files in the system. If two or more processes use the same file, then they contains the same file information and the file descriptor number. Each file table entry contains information about the file, such as file status, that is, we can read the file or we can write the contents in the file, file offset, etc. The file offset specifies the position for next read or write into the file. The file table also contains vnode and inode pointers, which point to the virtual node and index node respectively. These nodes contains information on how to read a file. Next is vnode and inode tables. Both the vnode and inode are references to the storage system of the file and the storage mechanism. They connect the hardware to the software. The vnode is an abstract concept that defines the method to access file data without worrying about the actual structure of the system. The inode specifies the access information like file storage device or read or write procedures, etc. So this is the information about kernel components, which contains process table, file table, vnode and inode tables. It can manage the different processes which are running by the processor. It is the main part of the operating system which handles all these processes and the detailed information about the processes. So this is the very important components of the operating system to handle the different processes.